In this video, I'm going to explain that how you can fix too many failed connection attempts on PS5 network. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you're having trouble with your PS5 saying that there's been too many failed network attempts, don't worry, it's usually fixable. So you can start by restarting both your router and PS5. Then double check your network settings on the console to make sure everything's entered correctly. If other devices can't connect to your Wi-Fi either, the issue might be with your router or your internet service provider. Also, you should check if your PlayStation network is down because that happens sometimes, and you can try using an Ethernet cable to connect directly to the router. And lastly, make sure your PS5 software is up to date. And if none of this works, you might need to contact the Sony's PS5 support for help. So hope this information helped you and thanks for watching.